Ever pondered the magic behind shifting gears in a manual car? How does a simple maneuver of the hand translate into such a significant change in the vehicle's performance? Today, we dive into the intricacies of this fascinating process. Imagine a world where manual cars rule the roads. The charm of these vehicles lies in their gear shifting system, a ballet of mechanical parts working in harmony to deliver power from the engine to the wheels. So how does this dance begin? It all starts with the clutch. The clutch, a crucial player in our gear-shifting drama, acts as a bridge between the engine and the transmission. When you press down the clutch pedal, it disengages the engine from the wheels. This is the moment when the engine says a brief goodbye to the wheels, setting the stage for a new gear to step in. Now, it's time for the gear lever to make its grand entrance. As you move this lever, it navigates through a complex labyrinth of gears within the transmission. Each gear corresponds to a different speed. First gear provides the most power but the least speed, while fifth gear offers the least power but the highest speed. When you shift the gear lever to a new position, it selects a new gear in the transmission. This new gear then connects to the engine via the clutch, creating a new engine-to-wheel speed ratio. This is how your car knows whether it should crawl through city traffic or cruise down an open highway. Finally, you release the clutch pedal. This re-engages the engine with the wheels, but now at a different gear ratio. The car, sensing this change, adjusts its speed accordingly. And voila, you've successfully shifted gears. So, to summarize, gear shifting in a manual car is a three-step dance. First, disengage the clutch to disconnect the engine from the wheels. Second, shift the gear lever to select a new gear. And third, re-engage the clutch to connect the new gear to the wheels. This intricate dance of mechanical parts allows you to control your vehicle's speed and power, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable drive. It's a testament to the marvels of automotive engineering, a symphony of movement inside your car that responds to the simple flick of your wrist. So the next time you're behind the wheel of a manual car, you'll know the magic that unfolds beneath your feet and in the palm of your hand. It's not just about shifting gears, it's about controlling a complex mechanical ballet, one that keeps the world of manual cars spinning on its axis.